Okay, second half starting up. 1st and 10, Vestal at their own 35. And looks like the first play went for a negative result. Yep, I'd say it's about 2nd and 14 by looking at the marker. Howdy. Yeah. Okay, 2nd and 14. Maybe almost 15. I don't know what happened that last play. They got stuck. Yes. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Fumble. UE's ball, I think. Yep. I saw that one come out. A few years ago, it used to be everything was 1 point of modifier with a ran out kick. Oh, okay. Uh-oh, they got a short field. Defense is going to come up big again and keep them out. It's like 24 and 20 something at the running backs. And they got him. Oh. Wait a minute, hold on. Second looked like he's going to move the marker back. I don't know. Let's see. Nah, he's right on it. Looks like a no gain. Oh, for a second he was moving back, but then he changed his mind. And that's 20. Good job, Eamon. I think that was 22. They ran the ball.
Get him!
24, he's pinned back. That's a loss. Let's see, yep. It's like a loss of 1 the way he moved. 4th and quite a ways, but down there I don't think they're going to punt. One stop though, and he can turn it around here. Hopefully the offense do a little better job this time. I can't count the chickens yet. Yeah, 22-24. And tackle him. Whoa.
That wasn't a fumble, was it?
I don't think so, but I think it might be a first down because I need to see the chains moving. Yeah, 1st and goal, I think. I think it's inside the 5, about the 4.5.
So they're about to score, aren't they?
If they get it in, yeah.
If the quarterback doesn't get hit and just let the ball go, they could somebody for us to come all the way back and score.
Mm-hmm.